Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Lewis Harding Investor and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be going through the best UK stocks to buy now in 2022. Let's get straight into it. So the first company on my list today is British American Tobacco. So these guys are a multinational cigarette maker, tobacco company. They sell cigarettes worldwide, across the US and the rest of the world. And yeah, tobacco companies recently have been quite underloved by the market. This is what has, interested me in British American Tobacco. Yeah, so the stock itself, the DCF valuation, for a return of 10%, using free cash flow estimates from analyst estimates from marketscreener.com. It's spitting out a share price of £50 per share, and yeah, from the current share price of it's just under £34 per share, it's looking like a very decent deal for British American Tobacco. If you believe these free cash flow estimates going into the future, and you believe tobacco is here to stay for the next few decades, I personally think it is, then this could be a very interesting stock for anyone's portfolio. Company 2 on my list is Rio Tinto. So this is a fan favourite on the Lewis Harding Invest channel. I've done a couple of videos on it. These guys, most people will probably know them. They're a multinational mining company, one of the biggest mining companies in the world. And yeah, I've been a big fan of these for a good few years now. Having a look at the DCF valuation, required rate of return of 10%, using analyst estimates again from marketscreener.com, converted into pounds from US dollars, we're looking at a share price of £65 per share, and from the current share price of just under £57 per share, it's looking like another decent deal for Rio Tinto. Like quite a few UK stocks, there's quite a few good deals out there, even for some of the bigger companies. So yeah, this could make a good addition if you're looking to get exposure to commodities. And now for the third and final company on my list, and that is Unilever. So Unilever is a British multinational consumer goods company, headquartered in London, England, and they produce all sorts of products: food, condiments, ice cream, vitamins, all sorts of stuff. Most people from the UK will know who they are. You probably have some of their products in your house somewhere. But yeah, looking at the DCF valuation, more importantly, 10% return, analyst estimates, because they do report in euros, converted into pounds, we're looking at a share price of £30 per share. This is currently below the current share price of just below £38 per share, but if the market does take a bit of a downturn, then it could easily get to this figure of £30 per share. Weirder things have happened in the stock market. Bad earnings could cause Unilever to fall below this price. So yeah, £30 per share for Unilever. It's not a company that I personally want to own, but it could be an interesting part of your portfolio if you're looking for consumer goods companies. There could be better out there, I think there is in my opinion, but it's probably one of the most well-known UK companies, so I thought I'd pop it into this video. Now it's time to compare all of these three companies using the Genuine Impact ranking system. So yeah, the two metrics that I'm interested in is quality and value. So yeah, quality ranking wise, it's looking at Rio Tinto is the best quality company out of all of these. Yeah, 801. So when it's got that shield around it, it means it's one of the top companies on the Genuine Impact universe. It ranks very, very highly. So interested to point out high quality business there for Rio Tinto. Unilever actually comes in second, and then British American Tobacco third for quality. Interesting that, because I would assume British American Tobacco will be higher quality business in terms of the profits it makes, but it could be to do with the amount of debt it does have on the balance sheet. But then looking at a valuation standpoint, British American Tobacco is the clear winner here, based on the current valuation. Yeah, it also ranks very, very highly, and you probably saw that from the DCF valuation that it's currently looking like a very cheap valuation. Rio Tinto isn't too far behind though, but Unilever is looking a little bit off the pace, and we did see that previously in the video. Unilever does have a little bit to fall before I would personally be interested to get my 10% return. The momentum factor, British American Tobacco is absolutely smashing at the minute. They did have some good earnings over the past month, and this caused their yearly earnings, and it caused their stock price to increase quite a bit. Yeah, momentum isn't something I'm particularly interested in, but it is, some investors out there are interested in that kind of thing. So there we have it. They were some of the best UK stocks to buy now in 2022. Let's go through them again. So we had British American Tobacco, Rio Tinto and Unilever. If you enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. As always, it would be amazing if you could like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. However, you can check out some of these videos.